Hello and welcome to a tutorial by SEEBURGER. In this video we'll give you an overview of the dashboard of our RRM service and its individual features. The dashboard is the centerpiece of the RRM service. In order to view different time periods of your report statistics, choose between productive and test reports in the drop-down menu called Message Type and adapt the time period. You can see the report overview below the message type and your chosen time period. A bar chart shows all messages per month, week or day, depending on which time period you choose. Use bar charts to monitor the number of your messages. Move the mouse over the individual bars of the chart to see the absolute number of messages. You can filter the chart easily by clicking on the upper bar. This way you can view only the messages accepted by Acer. On the right side next to latest messages, you can see a pie chart showing you the message processing. This pie chart shows you how many messages were processed successfully and how many were incorrect. You can interact with the pie chart. Move the cursor over the pie chart to see the absolute number of successful and incorrect messages and their percentage. By clicking on a part of the pie chart, a new window opens. Here you can choose between SC or NSC to get the report details of the selected time period. In the lower part you can see a chart showing the individual messages in detail. You can sort the chart by various freely selectable parameters. Change these parameters by clicking on the arrow in the upper right corner. You can add or delete parameters to get an individual chart. By moving to the lower scroll bar, you can see all parameters you have selected. Click the up or down arrow next to the parameter to sort the chart by this parameter. This makes it easier to sort the messages and find individual messages more quickly. Individual messages can also be viewed in more detail. Double-click on a message to view the details of the contract. The upper part gives an overview of the contract details such as contract ID, contract type or transaction time. The middle part shows technical details like process input and output. The lower part shows the original message, the created Acer XML file and, depending on the status of the file, an error message or acknowledgement. You can open or download all files by clicking the buttons on the right side. You can also open a readable view of the Acer XML file. Click the tab Dashboard on the left navigation bar to go back to the dashboard. In the lower right part of the dashboard, you can see the average processing time of all messages at Acer. This dashboard element shows how long it took until messages were processed at Acer and got reported back to the RRM service, either in the last 60 minutes or in the last 24 hours. Click Downloads on the left navigation bar to get to the Excel report templates for Table 1 and Table 2 and download them. Using these templates, you can complete reports in Excel and convert them to CSV files. These CSV files can be uploaded to the RRM service directly. Thank you for your interest in the SEEBURGER RRM service. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Our team will be glad to advise you. Goodbye and see you soon in the SEEBURGER cloud.